I put my girlfriend inside a Formula 4 race car and here's her reaction.
It's so uncomfortable. It's exactly like that.
Yeah.
So I brought her to watch a Formula Inter race weekend and she got to try getting in the cockpit to see how it feels. I don't know if you know this, but it's definitely not comfortable inside a Formula car. You pretty much lie down to make sure your center of mass is as low as possible to improve performance. This means you really don't see a lot from inside the car. Oh, and you get strapped super tight because of the high G-forces that will want to throw you around a lot. So you need to be firm to keep your driving precise. Have you ever tried to get in a Formula car before? Because